Hey there, future Florida flippers and real estate rock stars. Ever watched property flipping shows and thought, I could totally do that, but like in the future? Well, buckle up, because we're diving headfirst into the crystal ball of Florida renovations for 2025. Yeah, 2025. We're basically time travelers here, predicting the trends that'll make your property the talk of the Sunshine State. First up, let's talk about being eco-chic. Because in 2025, it's not just about looking good, it's about saving the planet, one solar panel at a time. Imagine hurricane-proof homes that also sip sunshine for energy. It's like having a superhero house. We're talking rainwater harvesting that'll make your lawn greener than your neighbor's envy. And trust me, in Florida, that's saying something. All right, let's get techie. In 2025, your house won't just be smart. It'll be practically psychic. Lights that dim when you say movie night, security systems that know when your cat's up to no good, and climate control that anticipates your every chill. It's like living in a sci-fi flick, but with better snacks. Florida's all about the outdoors, right? So, in 2025, we're taking it to the next level. Think outdoor kitchens that could rival a 5-star restaurant, entertainment areas that'll make your neighbors beg for invites, and spaces that blur the lines between inside and out. It's like having a permanent vacation in your backyard. Just remember to wear sunscreen. Mid-century modern is back, baby, but with a Florida twist. Think clean lines, bright colors, and tropical vibes that'll make you feel like you're living in a retro postcard. It's like stepping into a time machine, but with better air conditioning. Let's face it, life's unpredictable. So, in 2025, your house needs to be just as flexible. Think rooms that transform from offices to guest rooms in a snap, thanks to things like Murphy beds and modular furniture. It's like having a transformer for your living room. So, there you have it. Sustainable upgrades, smart tech, outdoor extravaganzas, retro revivals, and flexible spaces. The renovation trends that'll have Florida houses turning heads in 2025. Now, if you're thinking, wow, that's a lot of awesome info. How do I get in on this? Well, here's the best part. You can. For expert guidance and a friendly chat about all things Florida real estate, give Carl Bostic with American Paradise Properties a call at 786-693-2275. He's the real deal. He will help you navigate the ever-changing Florida real estate market. And hey, if you loved this video, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe for more future predicting real estate fun, and drop a comment below. Tell us which trend you're most excited about. Thanks for hanging out, and we'll see you in the next episode.